The worst conversion rate you'll ever see is when you try to switch media, meaning they come to you online and you try and take them offline. They come to you on Facebook and you want to get them on the phone. Have you ever been texting a friend back and forth, or you text somebody back and forth and then they call you? You're like, oh man, I thought we were texting. I don't even want to take this call. Literally have it in your hand. 2 seconds ago, you were texting them. They call, you hit ignore, and then text them right back. Sorry, can't talk right now. I'm in the middle of BS. And then you keep texting. People don't like to change the media in which they use. Why do you think you need to call people in order to meet? I was doing an inner circle coaching call today with some of our agents, and I said, look, if you opened the best pizza shop in town and the only thing that you could do was accept incoming calls to order that pizza, you wouldn't sell many pizzas. Quality of the food's great. They would rather go to Domino's.com, PizzaHut.com, send a text message with an emoji, and a dude shows up on their porch with a hot pizza. That is how you do it. Hey, we've got a lot more for you in store to help you in growing your real estate business. What I want you to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Now, it's totally free. If you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up free of charge. I want you to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to show you how you can get closings on a monthly basis, how to attract more buyers, how to attract more sellers, what you can do with totally free marketing to grow your real estate business. We're loading new videos all the time, so I want you to do a couple of things. Number one, subscribe to the channel here. Secondly, I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every time we post a new training video to help you in growing your real estate business. It's important for you to grow and learn from today's real estate market. This is going to show you exactly what to do so you can start attracting more business immediately. Now, most importantly, I want you to look at the description below here. You'll see some information in a link that can help you to start getting more closings today. I want you to check it out right now. Check in the description and go to that link. That's going to help you in growing your business and attracting more clients as quickly as possible. We'll see you soon.